separating fact from fiction regarding Imam Mahdi. It's time to unravel the truth behind the myths. Imam Mahdi holds an esteemed position in various Islamic traditions. Some believe he is a messianic figure who will establish a perfect Islamic society. However, it's important to understand that interpretations of his role differ among different sects and scholars. To better comprehend Imam Mahdi, we must examine the historical context. He is often associated with the end times and the reformation of society. However, it's crucial to note that historical evidence surrounding his existence is scarce, leaving room for speculation and myths to arise. Throughout Islamic traditions, prophecies and signs are said to foreshadow the arrival of Imam Mahdi. While some believe these to be literal occurrences, others interpret them metaphorically. It is vital to analyze these signs critically and avoid sensationalism. One of the core debates surrounding Imam Mahdi is the effect of his coming on the Muslim community. Some anticipate his arrival as a catalyst for unity, while others fear it may deepen divisions. Understanding these opposing viewpoints can shed light on the complexities of this belief. In conclusion, Imam Mahdi is a topic that delves deep into the diverse tapestry of Islamic traditions. While myths and misconceptions may cloud the truth, diligent research and respectful dialogue can help us better understand this significant figure. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. We hope that this video has shed some light on the myths and realities surrounding Imam Mahdi in Islamic traditions. If you found this video informative, don't forget to share it and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content.